Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back. So today we're going to be doing the Walmart Beauty Box unboxing. So this is what the box looks like. This is actually the winter box. I'm not really sure exactly how they do this because like we're into spring now and I'm just now getting the winter box, but I can tell you that I've opened this up already and there are tons, and I mean a lot of really good things in here. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. And if you've never heard of this box, it is $5. Really, the box is free. You just pay for shipping. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and I will show you guys what I got for the winter box. So like I said, I've already opened it up, so it's kind of jumbled around. But look at all that product. Like, there's a lot of stuff in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and start pulling stuff out. So right here on top, there is a Dove Dry Shampoo. I'm pretty sure this was in the fall box as well. I don't know if it was the same one. I think there might be a couple different ones. This one is for volume and fullness, and it says Refresh Plus Care. So, it just says refresh and revive hair without water. And I don't know about you guys, but I really like the Dove Dry Shampoo. I like the way it smells and I feel like it works really well. And I was just using like the Batiste one because my hair was really dark and I bought the one that had some color to it. But if my hair is going blonde, I actually really do like the white dry shampoos because it kind of helps make the blonde look that much more blonde sometimes. But that's a really, really good size sample to come in a box like this, especially considering the box is pretty much free. And if you bought this at the store, you're looking at about $2. Then right under that is this little mask right here from the brand So AE. This is the Purifying Brightening Peeling Gel. I don't really know anything about this. I've never tried it before. It says it's got vitamin C and E. It's got clarifying radiance and it brightens. So this could be really good. You guys know I did try out, I think it was the donkey milk mask, and I mean it was okay. It wasn't really anything to call home about, but it was okay, so we'll definitely have to try this one out soon too. Up next is this Biore Free Your Pores Baking Soda Acne Scrub. Now I've never really struggled with acne super bad, but I can definitely pass this along to some of my family, so again, that's a really good size sample in a box like this. That's just awesome. This is by the brand Aquaphor, and it's a ointment body spray. That's such a weird word, right? Ointment. But it says Advanced Therapy Ointment Body Spray. Immediately soothes and relieves dry, rough skin all day. So it says it's easy to apply, and again, that's just a really good size sample. This is the smallest sample that was in here this time. It still is a good sample though. This is a multi-correction 5-in-1 chest, neck, and face cream with sunscreen SPF 30. So this is, again, it's a pretty good size sample. I feel like I could get several uses out of this, and for it to have the sunscreen in there, that's just something that's really good on makeup days, or non-makeup days rather. Like if you don't feel like putting on makeup, it's still very important to moisturize and take care of your skin. So if you just wanted to throw this in your purse and keep it for on the go, it's the perfect size. And then there's also two little Aveeno products in here. This one is a body wash, and it's called the Daily Moisturizing Yogurt Body Wash, and it is called Vanilla and Oats, or the scent is Vanilla and Oats. Oh my gosh. That smells amazing. That smells awesome. So, this smells absolutely stunning. So there's a really good chance that I'm going to have to buy this. Like, you guys, we need smell-o-vision like right now because this is awesome. And then there's also the Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This one doesn't say that it has a scent in particular. It just says that it's sheer hydration and it absorbs in seconds with a powder-like feel. I don't really know what kind of smell this has though. Oh, I can't smell it because it's not open. Hold on. Oh, so this doesn't really have a smell. I do like lotions anyway, so I guess like if you were, I don't know, I don't really know. I don't know why you wouldn't want a scented lotion. If you're somebody who just doesn't like scents, this one would be great for you. Like there's literally like no scent to it whatsoever. I do wish it smelled like the body wash though, because that stuff is amazing. Like, it's so awesome. And then I saved my favorite thing for absolute last because I feel like I'm going to talk about this one for a second. So just don't mind me babbling. I was so impressed by this though. They sent these little Ecotools sponges. Now these technically they do have a specific purpose. I'm not going to be using them for that. But there's one that is for redness, and that's going to be the mint shade here. And then the dark circles is going to be the pink shade. The dullness is for the lilac, and then the peach is going to be for dark spots. So there's actually color correcting concealers that you can buy that you're supposed to use these with. But I think these are just going to be awesome to use like on a client, or somebody, like if you use it on a client, you can just go ahead and give it to them because it's not really going to put me out any money or anything. And even if I just use them on myself, I just think that this right here totally paid for that box. Like, no doubt in my mind, I feel like this is probably like $5 at the store. So definitely paid for the box with this right here. Alright, and that is everything that I got in this round of the Walmart beauty box. Now, like I said, if you guys have never heard of it, I will leave a link in the description box. All you do is you go on there, and I don't remember if there's like a survey or anything that you have to do or not, but I'm pretty sure all I did was go on there and create an account, and then they just send you a box every 3 months, I believe it is. You get one for every season of the year. You get a spring, summer, fall, and winter. This, I believe, is my 3rd box that I've gotten. It may be my 4th, but I don't think it is. I don't feel like I've gotten a spring box yet, so my next one should be me doing this for a year now. I'm pretty sure the first box that I ever got was actually this summer box, and every single one of them have been awesome. There's so much stuff crammed into these tiny boxes. It's unreal. And this is actually, I think this is bigger than a Birchbox, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have to check and make sure, but I believe that this box is actually a little bit bigger than Birchbox. So that's a lot of stuff to get for $5, and it only comes 4 times a year. So in total, you're paying $20 for a year's worth of awesome samples. And a lot of times it's stuff that's awesome for if you travel, it's going to be good for you. Or if you're somebody who doesn't like to commit to buying a full-size product, that right there, you know, these are good ways for that too. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much as always for watching. If you are not already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join our little family, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye guys.